question
from
from
Digital SAT Test 2
Module 2B.
There's a hard set of reading and writing questions.
And it's asking how Graeber and Wengrow respond to text 1, conventional wisdom in text 1. Text 1 says conventional wisdom is social system. You had hunter-gatherers that had equal status, and then when their agriculture came on the scene, that sparked the hierarchical structure. So it was like equality, then hierarchy. Text 2, Graeber and Wengrow are saying, hey, we've been socially flexible. Meaning we had hierarchies and then decentralized leadership bodies like equality discussed in the passage. 50,000 years ago, hunter-gatherers, there were sometimes small groups that's like equality. But then they'd be esteemed individuals like the hierarchy. But it's saying that it adjusted seasonally. So it would go back and forth between that hierarchy and that equality. So the best answer here is B. By disputing the idea that developed social structures have followed a linear progression through distinct ages. Arguing against this linear from equality to hierarchy. They would say that it's more like circular. They go back. See the following video. Check us out on YouTube. IB Masters Learning Center Test 2 Module 2B. Reading questions. Longer videos of the videos above this on the latest.